Is Apple giving up on MagSafe? No, it is not going anywhere, and let me tell you why. Before we get into it, if you want to keep up to date with the latest Apple news and reviews, hit that subscribe button. So this isn't just some random thought that popped into my head, but something that's been spreading online as the iPhone 16e debuted with no MagSafe support. There's this thought that Apple will phase out MagSafe, just as it did with 3D Touch. But this is not the same. 3D Touch, which is still to this day one of my favorite features that I'm forever crushed by its removal, wasn't very popular. Users didn't know about it, and it didn't really get used. Its fate was sealed when Apple could recreate a very similar feature via software. There was no need for more expensive displays, especially as Apple wanted to innovate with the display in other ways, like making it thinner. For the record, real 3D Touch was better than what we have now, just saying. Here, MagSafe is insanely popular, and there is no other way other than buying a compatible case or attaching a ring to make this work without physical magnets. After going down multiple social media rabbit holes, I'm seeing two prevailing theories from users. One, that Apple will remove it completely, or two, they will simply relegate it to an external case. We're going to talk about those. What's important to know going into this is Apple's relationship between Qi2 and Apple's MagSafe. Qi2 is actually based on MagSafe. Not that they copied the idea, but that Apple contributed its work on MagSafe to the Wireless Power Consortium for them to use as the basis for the Qi2 spec. There would be no Qi2 without MagSafe. Apple's iPhone lineup also became the very first products to be certified with Qi2. Technically, there are small differences between the specs. I did a whole video breaking it down. If you're interested, I've linked it here. My sponsor, ESR, has you covered. Quite literally. They have all new cases for the latest iPhone 16e that give you easy access to the action button, support MagSafe, and exceed the military drop test standard by 7 times. The ESR Halo Lock Cyber Tough case is great, with a 3-layer design that has a PC backing, a flexible TPE softshell, and an inner poron lining. Most drops happen from hip level, or even at chest height. This has enough protection to withstand drops from literally 23 feet. The magnets are also ultra strong here, 1500 Gs, which makes it very secure when using a MagSafe desk or car charger. It's not going to fall off when you hit a bump. There's also a sleeker, clear-backed Model 2, which I personally like the look of more, but that's just me. The best part of their iPhone 16e gear is the upgraded screen protector. It includes the Ultra Fit Tray applicator and is so easy to install. It even automatically removes the dust from your screen to prevent any air bubbles and easily resist scratches, like from the keys in your pocket. If you're getting or have an iPhone 16e already and you want to check these out, there's links in the description. Unlike with regular Qi that could not have magnets surrounding the coil, to be Qi2 certified, you must include a ring of magnets. I can't imagine Apple going this far and wanting to create an uncertified Qi2 device, following along in Samsung's footsteps of its Qi2 ready devices. People also seem to be forgetting that while MagSafe is absent on the 16e, Apple literally just updated MagSafe's capabilities last fall to support 25 watts of power. Not a move they'd make with the anticipation of starting to phase it out in only a few months or a year. To be fair, most of you that follow the channel know how much of a fan of MagSafe I am. I've done several dedicated videos on various accessories and roundups that work with it, many that I've been linking throughout this video, so if you're interested in any of them, you can click them. But make sure I'm not the only one here. Let me know in the comments if you use MagSafe too, and what accessories, tripod mounts, car chargers, wallets, desk stands, let me know. I spoke with the WPC, Wireless Power Consortium, at CES 2025, and they told me that they believed Apple would continue to innovate with MagSafe, and the Qi2 standard would then follow, adopting their changes. That likely means we'll see 25-watt Qi2 charging down the line, and even opens the door for Apple to continue increasing speeds or improving efficiency when it's ready. The second thing I've seen floated a lot is that Apple won't ditch MagSafe. Rather, they'll merely remove the magnets from the phone. If you want MagSafe, you just get a case with magnets in it. But this too doesn't pass the smell test for a litany of reasons. Least of which, Apple basically never markets its phones with cases. It would be a huge departure from highlighting the beautiful design of an iPhone to always showing them with cases, at least to show the various MagSafe options that are out there. Unless you bought a case, Apple's own accessories wouldn't work on a phone without MagSafe. The MagSafe wallet and MagSafe charger would require a whole secondary purchase of that case. Same with partner accessories like Belkin's MagSafe mounts for your laptop or monitor, or like the stand for Apple Fitness on your Apple TV. The most visible confirmation that this won't happen is already here. Apple's own first-party case for the iPhone 16e does not have MagSafe magnets. I have to believe that if Apple's strategy was to rely on cases, it would be putting that into place now with its lower cost phone so customers begin to adjust to that idea. When everything is taken into consideration, there is no reason for Apple to remove MagSafe. At most, it would save them a very small amount for those magnetic components. At worst, they're stripping away a wildly popular feature for car mounts, stands, wallets, batteries, and more. Unless people happen to buy a third-party case, it would make it harder to use standby mode. Again, another popular MagSafe-enabled feature. Apple doesn't support MagSafe on its iPhone 16e cases, and it's very unlikely for it to invent a standard, promote it until it's widely popular, and then kill it off. Look, I may be wrong here. There's every chance in the world that the powers that be out in Cupertino do in fact decide to remove MagSafe despite everything I've laid out in this video. But my money is that come this fall and next fall, we'll continue to see MagSafe on the core iPhone models. Let me know your theories down below in the comments. Otherwise, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.